This time, got my old work truck. They ain't old, they're brand new. But clean the headlights. Change out both sides of the spark plug. Cause for some reason I don't know what I did with the spark plug. It started raining one day. So I changed out the passenger side and left the driver's side alone. It'll be alright. But it is alright. But then again, I don't wanna I wanna treat my car just like I treat everybody else. But do stuff in due time when you can. You gotta spend $1,000 on parts and then you ain't able to put them in right then. Then I got the 02 cents right here. I'm gonna go ahead and replace down there on the bottom. I replaced 3 out of 4. I couldn't kind of difficult to get to the 4th one at that time, but I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out tonight. Or today rather. And debating on whether or not I want to take the rear seat out of my work truck, because it's a work truck. Plus, ain't nobody gonna be getting in the back of it. People don't even ride in the front of it. So still the bank. I'm gonna talk to a couple people about it and go from there. But I'm not gonna bore y'all with this. Oh, hey, man, you scared me. I thought I was hearing voices. Yeah, man. And I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out and be done with it. Go ahead and change out both sides, but I ain't finna bore y'all with it. For this 4th one right here on the back, you're gonna need a swivel with an extension to get the spark plug out. Possibly the same, more than likely the same thing on the driver's side. It ain't much space when you get towards the firewall. But that's neither here nor there. I'm gonna go ahead and get it done. So let me go ahead and shoot these for the nighttime key. But got the passenger side done. Like I said, I ain't finna bore y'all with that because it's easy and simple. But for the headlights, take some PB blaster, spray it down. I don't hear nobody crying about the paint in my truck. Take a rag, wipe it off. I don't want to get all professional stuff with it. I get some sandpaper. If I do all that tonight, do it one more time. Look better than what it did before. Same thing with the driver's side. Much better. It ain't new, but it's better than what it did. That's it. Quick tip. Alright, got our spark plug done. That back spark plug on the driver's side, by far the hardest one to do. Needed 3 to 4 extensions, but got it done. Not finna start the vehicle because we're gonna go up under here and knock this 02 cents out. But that's it. Alright, so took it on a quick test drive and it ran like a champ. Ran great. These codes up here, I already know I gotta replace the relays and whatnot. Cause I swapped them out. I was having some starting issue one morning, and I had some fuses blowed. So I took some fuses out of one place and put them where the fuels go, and I swapped the relay and put it where the relay go, and just threw away the bad relay. Or I think I left I think I swapped the fan relay out for the fuel pump relay. But the fans do come on, but they every now and then you'll hit a high fan side come on. So well, other than that, running like a champ. It's running great. I'm gonna go to the parts store tomorrow because I haven't got today, but I'm gonna go tomorrow and probably do it next week. I don't know. Really not concerned. Certain stuff as a mechanic, you don't be concerned with. It's like an ABS light. You don't be concerned with it. Because you know it's just sensors. Now when I first started, oh man, anything light up on the dash, I got to go and change that out immediately. But now that I done got a little bit older and a little bit skin in the game, you know, I know some stuff you don't have to be concerned with. As long as the fans work, that's the most important part. But I'm now good to go. Good to go. No misfires or nothing like that. Which I did leave a couple of the ignition coils and fuel injectors unplugged. I think I left like one. Yeah, it was one on the not bank, but injector 3 that I left. I left the ignition coil unplugged and the fuel injector unplugged, but the car still started. So, but everything good to go. Y'all have a great night. Thanks for y'all support. I'm nothing without y'all. See y'all with the next one.